Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this nice bathroom mirror. First of all, it's got some really good packaging here. This features lighting on the inside as well as a anti-fog element, though, so it heats up the mirror here. It's got some buttons on there, so this is basically like a smart mirror here. All right, my friends, the moment of truth. There we go. Turn on the light. Okay, that's cool. Turn different colors. Sweet. And then we have the defrost there. All right, so this is going to be the most satisfying thing ever. Oh, boy. Okay, look at that. That looks very elegant, I think. To turn this on, boom. Actually puts out quite a bit of light there, guys. I like that. And then we can change it to the different colors as you like. So that's pretty sweet. It does put out a lot of light there. I'm liking that. It's very elegant, very clean looking. And I'm going to test out the defrost now. So I'm going to run my shower for a little bit, get some hot steam going, and see how that works. Whew. Okay, it's like a sauna in here. I'm going to turn on my little mirror. Oh, man, it's like 110% humidity in here. So all in all, my friends, I think this is a really nice mirror. It does, the amount of light put out is decent. It's putting out, you can clearly, it illuminates your face. If you're doing your makeup or you're shaving or whatever, the light's coming from all sides. So sometimes you have a light just up from up here, it's going to cast a shadow on maybe sides of your face, and you're not going to be able to see as well. This here, the light's coming from all angles, so it's going to light everywhere where you're at. You're going to be able to see, oh, I missed a hair over here or whatever on your makeup and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. You can see this spot right here is where it's going to defrost all that nicely. And obviously, if you had this on when you started your shower, you should turn my fan on. None of this would have even got on there because your thing would already be nice and warm there. There we go, start my fan. Whew. It is humid in here. But all in all, my friends, I think it's just a really, really nice looking mirror. Super, the installation, no problem at all. Like if I wanted to hardwire it, I have my plug-in right down here. If you guys can see it, you probably can. Let me tilt that. So yeah, I have my plug-in right there. So if I wanted to, I could have just run that wire there, but I think it looks so much more elegant just taking it up into the light here. Always remember to be safe, turn your power off, make sure you get a test your voltmeter test to make sure there is no electrical current. Super easy to put this up, super easy to take it off. If I want, just pull it up and we're good to go, but it's strong, it's not going to go anywhere. It looks really nice, functional. There we have it, it's all cleared off there. So I'm thinking it's a very nice addition to the bathroom here. And yeah, I'm just really impressed with it. So here we are. Cool. Kids are going to enjoy it a lot too, I think. So, all right, my friends, thanks so much for watching this video.